Apple has just introduced the new Messy headphones. We are talking about the new Powerbeats Pro 2 that arrive under the Beats brand, so they are not AirPods, but they have all the technology and compatibility with Apple devices. However, they are also compatible with Android thanks to its own application, and in this case, they have the particularity of being able to measure heart rate. Now, they will be available in orange, purple, sand, and black. And just as you realize, in this case, they are headphones that have a sporty approach thanks to their hook design that mounts above the ear to prevent it from accidentally falling out. And in this case, according to Apple figures, they are 20% lighter than the last generation and have a nickel titanium alloy design for improved flexibility, comfort, and grip. They have IPX4 level of resistance against water, so they just resist simple splashes and come with a closed design with silicone ear cushions and in conjunction with this passive noise cancellation that is achieved. Thanks to the closed design, they also have active noise cancellation and obviously also transparency mode, so you can hear what is going on around you. Regarding the battery, they offer up to 10 hours according to official Apple figures and up to 45 hours considering the case. However, you know that the battery life will depend entirely on the use given by each buyer. Interestingly, the size of the case has been reduced by 33% compared to the last generation and also adds wireless charging in addition to USB-C port. So if you had the first generation, you will notice quite a few changes. These headphones have the H chip designed by Apple to have low latency with their devices and have very good compatibility in audio quality. However, when you connect it to Android, it won't have as much audio quality, possibly only using the AAC codec. Its launch price in the US is $249 plus tax, and in Mexico, they have been announced at 5,499 pesos, including tax. Let me know what you think of these headphones and if you prefer this sporty design with hook or what format you prefer. Headphone format you prefer?